Today, we are making broccoli apple salad. Let's get cooking. We need to chop the broccoli. This is a really fun summer salad. It's easy to make and it's healthy and delicious. I haven't filmed in a while, so yeah. Today's the day, I guess. This is going to take me a while. We'll be right back. You can even use the stem of the broccoli. Okay, last piece of broccoli. One cut. Now cut. Cut. And cut. And you can even use the stem of the broccoli. So we use it all. And we are done. So now, oh gosh, this is heavy. Broccoli's in. Oopsie. We can easily clean that up. There we go. Now, we need to cut the apple. So, the sweeter the apple, the better. And we are using a Honeycrisp. It's kind of hard. I need to ask for some help. I got the apple cut up with a bit of help. Oopsie again. And now we're going to add some red onion. And now let's add some peanuts. You can use any type of peanut, or you can use any type of nut or seed. That should be good. And now we're using raisins, but you can use raisins. Gosh, now my hands are all peanut juice, so I can't open the bag. Let's sprinkle them in. One more, I think. That should be good. And now, a few for me. And now, let's mix it. And this is going to be one good salad with broccoli, apples, peanuts, and onions. And now, after we mix this up, we're making a dressing. Oh, I forgot the bacon. Let me go find it. Okay, now I got some bacon. Let's crumble it up. Here we go. Bacon pieces for the yummy salad. To make it even more yummy. Okay. Now let's have this one. And all done. Now we can mix it. Okay, now let's make our dressing. So first, 1 clove of garlic, then apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons, then 4 tablespoons of olive oil, then 8 tablespoons of maple syrup, and then salt, pepper, and then we're going to mix it up. We'll be right back. And now we are going to now we're going to mix it. Mixing. And after we mix it, we are going to put some of the salad in a different bowl because we don't want our bacon to turn soggy. Soggy bacon is not good. I'll keep mixing this up, and that should be good. And now, take a scoop of this and put it in this bowl. Now I need to move this big bowl to the side. And now I got this little bowl. And we're going to drill some of this on. And voila. And now, let's mix it up again. Ta-da! Our salad is complete. Now, let's try it. I'm getting full, guys. Okay, now let's try some of it. Need this broccoli. Yeah. Good salad. And that is our broccoli apple salad. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Teaspoons of olive oil. 2.
Apple cider.
And then 8